Hi students, today we are going to discuss about distance formula from the chapter coordinate geometry. Okay, here we are going to find the distance between any 2 points P and Q. Let the coordinates of P be x1, y1 and coordinates of Q be x2, y2. Okay, the coordinates are x1, y1 and x2, y2. You have to find the distance between these 2 points PQ. X-axis, y-axis, it is the origin. Okay. Now, let's draw PR perpendicular to x-axis. That means let us join a perpendicular PR to the x-axis. Similarly, let us join QS perpendicular to the x-axis. Let it be S. So we have drawn PR and QS perpendicular to the x-axis from the points P and Q respectively. Now let us draw a line PT perpendicular to the line QS. Okay, now it forms PQT forms a right triangle. Now can you tell me what will be this point R? The point R will be x1. Why? Because the coordinate of P is x1, y1. So its x coordinate will be x1 and its y coordinates will be y1, isn't it? So this distance will be x1. And now can you tell me what is this distance, that is from origin to the point? Yes, what will be the distance? This OS. What is x coordinate of Q? X coordinate of Q is x2. So this point will be x2. So this distance will be x2. I think it is clear to you. This distance will be x2 and this distance will be x1. Now similarly, what is the y coordinate of point P? Y coordinate of point P is y1, isn't it? It is y1. So what will be this point? We can call this point, PQ, R, S, T, U. Let us call this point U. Now what will be this distance OU from the origin? This distance will be y1. You know why? Because the y coordinate of P is y1. That is, this distance will be y1. Similarly, what will be the distance OV, this distance? This distance will be the y coordinate of point Q, that is y2. Okay, here what we are going to do is we are going to find the distance between the point PQ. Let the coordinate of P be x1, y1 and coordinate of Q be x2, y2. Now we draw perpendicular PR and QS, then draw perpendicular TU and QV. Now the coordinate of R, the distance OR is the x coordinate of P, that is x1. Here x coordinate of Q is x2. So this distance will be x2. Similarly, this distance will be y1 and this distance will be y2. That is y coordinate of P and y coordinate of Q. Now you consider the triangle PQT. You see the triangle PQT. In triangle PQT, applying Pythagoras theorem, can you tell me what is PQ square? PQ square is equal to PT square plus QT square, isn't it? Pythagoras theorem states that the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. So PQ square will be equal to PT square plus QT square. Now here, can you tell me what is PT? What is the distance PT? PT is, the distance PT will be same as the distance RS. Am I right? So what is this distance RS? RS is equal to x2 minus x1. From this distance x2, when you subtract the distance x1, you will be getting RS. RS is same as PT. So instead of PT, what can you write? Instead of PT, you can write x2 minus x1 whole square. PT square is equal to x2 minus x1 the whole square. Plus, similarly, can you tell me what is QT? QT is this distance. QT is same as UV. What is the distance UV? UV is y2 minus y1. From here, this is y2. From y2, when you subtract y1, you will be getting UV. So UV will be equal to y2 minus y1. So Qt square is equal to y2 minus y1 the whole square. Now can you tell me what is PQ? The distance PQ is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. This is known as distance formula. So PQ is a line segment whose x coordinate and y coordinates are given. Let the coordinates of P be x1, y1, the coordinate of Q be x2, y2. Then the distance of PQ can be found out using the formula PQ is equal to x2 minus x1 all square plus y2 minus y1 all square. So you have to by heart this formula. Okay, there will be problems in the board examination related with this topic. So this is known as distance formula. PQ is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 all square plus y2 minus y1 all square.